Let's get it on. You don't give a what, you don't give a what. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. You don't wanna party, then your ass gotta go. You don't wanna party, then your ass gotta go. If you ride, dance from the bar, bounce, dance from the bar, freak, dance from the bar. Let's get it on. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Once again, it's the darker nigga, and it's Parker nigga. Pick apart the nigga, with the dog is bigger, under stress, doing less. You wanna get blessed to the chest, with slugs from the Smith and West.
Aren't you something to admire? Cause you shine at something like a mirror, and I can't help but notice you reflect on all of mine. If you ever feel lonely, the clever's hard to find. It's you that I'm always very loud on the other side. Cause with your hand in my hand and a pocket full of songs, I can tell you there's no place we couldn't go. Just to try to
song on so many different dials. Cause I go more than a disciplined child. So when they see me, everybody barrage. And I'm like a young gun, fully black barrage. I cry teardrops over the massive attack. I only make hits like a one with a racket and back. Cut my jacket hot, slow down the slow.
I didn't do that.
I'm bringing gravity back, I don't sleep by the major. I hold my family back. People work hard just to get all their salary tax. I'm just a writer from the get on the Mallory Black. Where the hell was that? Damn, I used to be the kid that no one cared about. That's why you have to keep screaming till they hear you out.
goodbye.